Right now I want to show you how to connect the Montana amps rugged mount with power audio cable, or the Montana 600 series motorcycle cradle, to a RAM mount. Now, in the title of the name of this product, Garmin talks about an amps pattern. And what that is this 4-hole pattern here. It's an industry standard pattern, and it's a rectangular shape here with 4 holes. RAM make a part. This is the RAM B347, which has that exact hole pattern on it. So you can just match it right on there like so. Or if you have some RAM parts already at home and you want to use something to match, you could use this piece here, which is the RAM-B-202, which is one of RAM's original parts when they first came out, and it too has the amps hole pattern. You can see here there's a hole there, and then there. The other 3 holes are actually at a 120-degree offset, and they're more for the marine mounting. But that 4-hole pattern on this circular plate fits just right like so. You can see through there. So you could use either or to mount. I'm going to use the actual amps plate that RAM make. This amps plate and a mounting system is what's actually included with the Garmin Zumo or motorcycle series GPSs that have a motorcycle mount in them as well. So this is the same type of system. And what we're going to do is use the hardware that's included with this cradle to connect this cradle to this plate. So using this hardware that's included with the cradle, simply take a screw or a bolt, put the washer on like so, and then come in from the inside of the cradle like this. Drop it in, put the amps plate on the back like so, making sure you got the rectangle in the right way, screw on the nut, and then we just need to continue this all the way around for all 4 of these nuts and bolts. So then we'll end up having it mounted on the back like that. So I'm going to mount them on and go from there and show you how this connects to a motorcycle mount. And then we do up the final screw, make sure they're all nice and tight, and there we have it. We now have the amps plate connected to the amps holes on the motorcycle mount for the Montana. So now we can drop the Montana into this cradle by just connecting these pin connectors into the pins on the cradle. Now there is a rubber cap that can go over these pins, so when your Montana's not on there, they're protecting the pins from the weather, and when you want to take it off, you just come up and it clips into the back of the cradle here like so. So now we just connect those pins there and then push this back. You can see this top lip lifting, and then it pops down once the Montana's in, and there's a release button here which allows the top to clip up, and then you just take your Montana back out. So that's how this cradle works. And then also there is a key that comes with the unit, the cradle, and you can just tighten that screw up there, and that'll lock this piece from popping up and down, so it'll actually lock the Montana into the cradle. Now I have a U-bolt here, which is a motorcycle U-bolt, which you connect to the handlebars, and then I also have an arm which will connect this ball from the plate to this ball on the base. So we'll put that on there like so, put the mount cradle there like so, the plate in, then simply turn this knob and tighten it up, and there we have a motorcycle mount for the Garmin Montana 600 series using the Garmin Montana amps plate cradle and the RAM mounting system with RAM B347 amps plate on the end. So that's how easy it is to use the Garmin cradle for the Montana.